In today's video, I'm going to talk about OTO-313, a potential cure for tinnitus. Welcome! If you're new to my channel, my name is Emily. I created Definite Hearing as I'm hard of hearing myself. I wear 2 hearing aids and I love them so much. These are ReSound Enso 3Ds. Without them, I can hardly hear at all. So I'm so grateful that every morning I can wake up, put them in, and feel like I can hear almost anything in the world. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to making more hearing loss related content for you. Alright, I don't personally struggle with tinnitus, but I know a lot of people that do, which is why I am making today's video. OTO-313, or OTO-313, is a drug that is currently in phase 2 of FDA testing. It could potentially be a cure for tinnitus. This OTO-313 phase 2 test is testing whether or not individuals with unilateral or one or single-sided tinnitus see decreases in their tinnitus symptoms. This test has a participant pool of 140 individuals, males and females, all between the ages of 18 to 75. The test started March 22nd of this year, 2021. It will wrap up June of 2022, the testing itself, and it's expected that results will be out by August of 2022. This OTO-313 test is a parallel test. This means that there are 2 different things that they are doing in this test. They are testing the OTO-313 injection with a placebo. So it's parallel, the same thing, just a different medicine in each one. Scientists utilize placebo to eliminate the potential mental factor of tinnitus blending with the results. If scientists find a significant decrease in those that actually received the OTO-313 injection compared to those who had the placebo injection, they will know that tinnitus was certainly cured by this injection. Now, if the placebo and the OTO-313 have similar results, then there will be speculation about the power of the mental side of things to overcome tinnitus. Regardless, it's important to have these foundations of experiments to be able to understand what is working and why. This OTO-313 test model is really interesting. It's a double-blind test, which means that the person receiving the treatment and the person giving the treatment has no idea of what treatment this person is getting. Both OTO-313 and the placebo will be administered in the same way, through intratympanic injection. What this means is that a trained professional will have a syringe and a needle. They will put that needle through the eardrum of this participant and inject the serum, whether it's OTO-313 or the placebo, into the middle ear. The inner ear will absorb the serum and they will wait to see the results. Outcome measures for this are very interesting. Participants are supposed to keep a daily journal and keep a record of their tinnitus events. For example, they will keep track of their change in daily tinnitus functional index, or TFI. They will essentially rate on a scale of 0 to 100 how much their tinnitus interfered or did not interfere with their day. Scientists are hoping that they'll see a strong correlation between those that received OTO-313 in a reduction in tinnitus interfering with their day, and hopefully with the placebo, their results will stay similar. If so, that means OTO-313 is making a difference. In addition to that, participants will keep track of other things with regards to their tinnitus, their triggers, and what's going on to be able to help researchers understand whether or not OTO-313 is really reducing the tinnitus impact in people's lives. Scientists will also be using audiometry, or testing of the hearing of participants. They will also be using otoscopic examinations to understand how these injections affect the ear. There are so many different ways to measure the success or failure of a medication in the FDA drug trial process. These are several ways that OTO-313 will be measuring its success. So though we will have to wait almost a year to hear about these results, it's great to know that there are so many scientists across the nation working on this project. Scientists from California, Colorado, Illinois, Kentucky, North and South Carolina, New York, Utah, Texas, Louisiana, and more. This is quite a big undertaking. I'm really excited to see what happens, because a cure for those with tinnitus, specifically sensory neural tinnitus in this case, would be incredible and groundbreaking for hundreds of Americans and people across the world. What are your thoughts on this cure for tinnitus? Do you have tinnitus? If so, Would you be interested in trying OTO-313 if it passed these clinical trials? If so, I would love to hear in the comments below. I have heard that tinnitus can be very debilitating. I've heard that it can interfere with the life and being able to be stress-free and things like that. If you struggle with tinnitus, remember that you are not alone. There are so many people that struggle with tinnitus as well. In fact, about 25 million Americans have tinnitus. Isn't that incredible? 25 million of us can hear ringing in our ears that others cannot hear. So just remember, if you have tinnitus, you are not alone, and hopefully a cure will come soon. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I look forward to making more great content for you. Stay strong, stay amazing, and have a great day.